Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Mk2 EVO first stage. So this is a pretty smart and compact little first stage. It's a piston first stage, which means it gives you a really decent airflow. The EVO is a little upgrade from its predecessor, the standard Mk2, which means that this is a little bit smaller. It's got some sort of cold water improvements as well. So this is a spoke design first stage. So as it sits in your cylinder, all of the hoses come out radially, which doesn't give you fantastic hose routing. It's okay, but they're quite rigid, and when you're fully fitting the hoses to all of them, especially in a single cylinder configuration, you can be a little bit limited. It only has one high pressure port, which means that it's great for a real sort of basic setup. It's good for a stage cylinder as well. But if you're looking to fit sort of gauges and a transmitter, then no, it's worth looking for a different first stage. So the XTIS internal sort of improvements, you may be able to see just through these little slots here that the internal parts that are accessible by the water are covered in a kind of blue coating. This acts a little bit like Teflon, and it stops all the contaminants in the water from directly getting to the kind of moving parts, and it stops it from sticking. So it's improving the cold water performance so that ice can't form quite as well on it by about 50% compared to its predecessor. So it's a cold water regulator. It improves the cold water performance, reduces the amount that it's going to freeze. But it's very much the entry-level first stage. It's fantastic for just a stage cylinder, but if you are after a sort of a budget first stage, then the Mk2 EVO is definitely worth looking at. So yeah, one high pressure port, and you've got 4 low pressure ports that come out radially. This is the Scubapro Mk2 EVO first stage. Thanks for watching. Save time.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.